All right, guys, let's dive in. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what I see here for gold. And I'm going to show you exactly how to catch trade opportunities like this, where you can catch over 111 pips just like that. Okay, it's something simple. It's clean structure, keeping things out of the way, not focusing on indicators, not focusing on any type of software program, nothing. Just focusing on market structure, which is what I want to teach you guys, because this, trust me, helped me really take my trading to that next level. As soon as I started to really understand things and keep things more simple, that's really when I started to see a change in my trading. And it was kind of like an aha moment where everything just started to click. Okay, so make sure you stick around. If you're struggling with your trading, then this video is for you. Make sure you stick around to the end, because I'm going to share with you guys something really important that will help you take your trading to that next level. Okay, so let's not waste any time, guys. This is actually live right now. It is Sunday, July 16th. So I wanted to share this video with you guys and kind of go over the importance of market structure, but the importance of implementing this in real time, right? So this is before it's happened. I'm going to actually create a video after the fact of this happens, and we'll see what happens, right? Because we have to also understand, team, that not always trades will go in our favor. Okay, we need to understand that the markets, we work with what we get, okay, and the markets will do whatever it needs to do. We just go, we hop onto the train and we go in the train's direction, right? And that's really important. So one of the things we need to realize is we are still in kind of this upwards momentum. Okay, now we have this beautiful impulse to the upside, so we are pretty much at a point where we are pretty much overbought. If you look over here, I'm just going to clear this arrow here and I'm going to move this over here. So take a look at this. So we have this huge impulse here. Okay, we were kind of ranging here at the bottom. We created some sort of a inverted head and shoulders. We broke well above it, and I believe we're probably gonna come back down and maybe retest close to the neckline. That is what I think, but my confirmation, this is what I want to teach you guys. Okay, we have this beautiful void. What does that mean? So once we break below this area, most likely we're going to see gold capitulate all the way to the downside. Okay, and that's over 111 pips. Okay, now if you did one full lot, that's $1,100. Now as a trader, what I need to look at, well, I need to understand what's price currently doing. So price gave us the impulse, we are stuck in this range. Okay, so what do we do in a range? We wait for a breakout, what, to the upside or to the downside? So we had a beautiful breakout to the downside. Okay, breaking below these previous lows here of this range that we had up here. Okay, we came back up, we retested, we rejected beautifully. Now what I'm waiting as a trader, trying to stick with my plan here, is for this, at least this 1 hour candle to close bearish, closing below these previous lows. Okay, and then that will be the confirmation for me to enter. It could be even on the lower time frame. It could be the 30-minute time frame, but I need it at least, I would say, on this 1 hour to close below this previous low. That'll be enough confirmation for me to anticipate a continuation to the downside. Otherwise, what's going to happen is this candle's going to go back and forth, and then probably come back up to these highs, which is about a 40 pip stop loss here, 42 pip stop loss, come closer to a stop loss area, which will be this kind of little mini range or retest area, come back up to these highs, retest it once more, and then capitulate to the downside, which could be a possibility. We could see London session come in, and we could see price just kind of range a bit, right? London might push it back up high, create a wick, and then for New York we see a huge impulse to the downside, right? So this is how we're able to kind of understand structure. We were stuck in this range, we got a break, clean break, we got a nice retest. Could we come back up and retest these highs before we continue to go lower? Absolutely. That is something that does happen more often than not, believe it or not. It does happen quite a bit. So that's something that we have to keep in mind. Why didn't I not enter here on sells? Because I'm waiting for this candle to close well below this previous wick, okay, this previous candle. That's why I have here highlighted sell setups below this level structure. I hope you guys are understanding this. If you are, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, smash that like button, because trust me, guys, that way I know that you guys are understanding what I'm explaining here, and I hope that this video can bless you with your trading. Okay, and why do I have this line here? Well, this is an area that I am anticipating price, or an area of interest where I anticipate price to actually react to. That's why I have it here, because that's where I think price may come back down. See how price is starting to pull back up at this area? This is why we always wait for price to close. Once I get a candle closure, that's a confirmation that yes, it's going to continue to go down lower. Otherwise, it's probably just stuck in this mini range area, which is this line up here and this line down here, right? So yeah, this is kind of what I'm waiting for, team, on gold, and I wanted to show you kind of what I saw overall and how I can kind of determine what may happen with price. Now, could this be a fake out? It could be a possibility, but this rejection candle that I have here, this 1 hour candle, bearish candle here that engulfed the previous candle, indicates to me that most likely we are probably going to go to the downside, but however, most likely price will come back up and retest these highs once more. That is something that we just have to keep in mind, team. This is why we don't just get in impulsively. but in fact we wait respectfully and we wait in a more calmer manner and wait for the trade setup to happen, right? Instead of desperately getting in because it looks like it's going to go to the downside, it creates the wick, get in impulsively as a trader, and then boom, it hits your stop loss, right? Wait for that candle closure, be a patient trader, and you will see that price will respect that area, right? And it's not about because you did it, but because that's usually how the market works. And it's understanding market structure and not falling for the FOMO of it looks like it's going to be a sell, so I'm going to get in now. No, wait for the candle closure, wait, stick to your trading plan, understand this is what you need this candle to close below this previous low here and have a strong bearish candle formation for a clean continuation, because we have this beautiful clear traffic here on the left hand side. Most likely once it breaks below these lows, if that's the direction it's going to go, and I see a clean continuation over 111 pips, if not probably even further. It could create a wick and then go all the way further, right? But hope this video helps you out, guys, and blesses you with your trading. If you enjoyed it, make sure you smash that like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think, guys. Appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.